A very good evening, ladies. A very warm welcome to Forever Star India 2021. And I would request you all to start your videos to all the lovely participants and now, of course, the upcoming celebrities and the rising stars of Forever Star India. A digital hi to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good. And first of all, of course, congratulations of making it this far and proving your worth over and over and making sure that you receive and achieve every heights of success that you are. This is just the beginning of your new journey. Now you start off again as a celebrity, as a woman of image, and with a very, very valuable profile. I welcome you all with an open heart. Today, kickstarts your specialized trainings with five super experts of our FCR team who would be training you up close and personal. So this is the batch from Mrs. that we have, a lovely married women who have, broken stereotypes over and over again and are going to ensure that, age is just a number, and so is, their profile for that matter. So, welcome you all the very, very best. And now I would request our director of Forever Star India, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, to take over and introduce the panelists and the team members and the trainers as well. Over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry. Hello, everyone, and congratulations. I cannot even express that how proud I am today to see you all sitting across the screen and moving towards your dream of coming for the grand finale of Forever Mrs. India 2021. I can totally recall when all of you were appearing for your audition. I was there, Harry was there, and the other jury members were also there. And how apprehensive you were, even when it was about your introduction, you didn't know how to walk down that ramp. You didn't know how to do your own makeup. But look at you confident ladies today sitting across the screen with so much confidence, your glittering eyes. I'm extremely proud. And of course, moving over to the introduction of the man of our show, Mr. Utsav Dholakia, who is one of India's leading fashion choreographer and show director. So yes, Mr. Utsav Dholakia, I would request you to please switch on your video. And let me just tell you all that he's not just any other choreographer. He has choreographed, numerous fashion weeks, numerous fashion shows, including London Fashion Week. And with a career span of 26 years, he's worked with the best in the event industry and, of course, the fashion industry. So it's only and only because of his creativity that has made him the most sought after show director. So over to you now, Mr. Utsav Dholakia, and a big round of applause for him, please. We can do it even when we're on mute. Over to you, Utsav. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. Good evening, first of all, and I welcome you on board. It's a great privilege to meet each and everyone out of you out here. And let me tell you one thing. Generally, whenever I take my first lecture, I always start with my personal experiences so that it makes things easier and I relate to the event also in a more better way. Number one, I would request all of you all to be on time. That is the first factor. Secondly, this platform that you have received is it's a ready-made platter that you have got. It's very, very difficult for someone to get a launch pad or a first stepping stone. And FSI has provided you this launchpad, so you guys are really, really lucky. When I started way back, we never knew kahan se shuru kare, diet se shuru kare, costume se shuru kare, marketing se shuru kare, kahan se shuru kare. And my times, there was no Google, there was no Facebook, there was no WhatsApp. So whatever happened was physical effort, and we had to toil a lot. यहाँ वहाँ घूमना पड़ता था, लोगों से मिलना पड़ता था. We had to introduce ourselves. And I am from the times where, that point of time, landline was in fashion. So, there was no cell phone, there was no DP, there was nothing. So you guys are getting a fantastic launch pad, right? Please make maximum use of it. That's my first request. We have professionals on board. They are doing a fantastic job. Please be on time. Please listen to them carefully, make notes, write down important points, and gear up for the D-Day, right? Okay. Most importantly, a lot of people, a lot of trainers are going to speak to you about, how to think, how to talk, how to walk, what to eat, what not, and things like that. But the most crucial thing, when you're going to walk on the day of the show, the only thing that is going to make you feel comfortable is your confidence and you yourself. right? So make sure you believe in yourself and do you give your best, right? I would also request you to buy a pair of heels that you are planning to wear on the day of the show well in advance and start rehearsing with those foot pair from right now on. Because if your heels are comfortable with you and if you are comfortable with your heels, life is going to be much easy, right? So, ladies, let me not speak too much. I'll definitely keep on meeting up with you. I'll definitely keep on staying with you, and looking forward to see you very, very soon in person. So, let me sign off and introduce, our expert trainer Shailaja. So, over to Shailaja now.
Thank you so much, Utsav. It's such a delight to receive the positivity from you first and then take on further. Thank you so much for the day. So I can already see my beautiful finalists, the winners, sorry, and they're shining bright through their windows of laptops and cameras. And it is such a delight to see the accomplished look on all of your faces. I'm just browsing through, taking a minute to see everybody and reading your names to, build a rapport. And there I have. So I am super excited, and I first start with, asking all of you to pat your backs. Okay, pat your backs like this and tell yourself, "Wow, girl, well done." Don't you think this journey has been such a roller coaster for all of you? Already being married, into professions, having family, and yet taking out time for your passion, your dreams to come through. So it is something that you must cherish. This opportunity of sitting in this forum as winners, as achievers, is something huge. I hope you all realize that. You all have withstood the competition, done your tasks beautifully well, and you've shown your grit, you've shown your courage and consistency. That is most important, to actually fight any competition bravely, right? So compliments and congratulations to all of you. And today I am here as your groomer, yes, but it's going to be a different journey from here onwards. So can anybody take a guess and tell me what is that I'm going to talk about today? Anyone who does a thumbs up can unmute and ask, give me the answer. Anybody? Yes, I can see Deepmala. Yeah, Deepmala, I would love to hear it from you.
Ma'am, how to walk, how to talk, how to present ourselves in front of camera and stage. I think this.
All right, I can give it to you, but it's going to be a little different than that. Anybody who wishes to take a chance to answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Smita, ma'am.
Yes, Smita, please.
It's personality development, ma'am. How to do all things during that time contest, ma'am. It's a personal development training program, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful, Smita. But all of you didn't actually hit the bullseye that I was looking for. I thought all of you would tell me that we are already so well groomed by FSIA. Already so much has been put into us. So, we are sitting here like achievers. Ma'am, what is that you're going to take us through? All of you are very sweet and you've given very safe answers. But today, let me tell you, I'm going to talk about how you are going to bring a shift in this mindset of yours. You all were participants this long, but now today you are sitting like achievers with me. Okay, you are all winners, you're all queens going to be felicitated soon. You're all celebrities in your own way. You don't even realize the amount and quantum of inspiration you have spread around you. There would be so many other people who have seen your journey and your accomplishment and must be heart to heart wanting to take on the same journey. So you all are celebrities. All of you have done beautifully well, and today I'm going to groom you on how you have to think like a celebrity, be like a celebrity. And so I'm going to cover two major aspects. First is bring a mental shift in your thought process. First. Second would be stage presence. So today I'm primarily going to talk about these two things. So when I talk about bring a shift into your thought process, what does it mean? It means that stop thinking like a participant. You're not a participant. The game is over. You have won it all. And now you have to prepare yourself like a celebrity
to come there at the venue on 17th till 19th and be felicitated. You are going to be adorning your prestigious crowns. You're going to walk the aisle of glory for which you have worked so hard all this long. तो ये जो है जर्नी आपकी, ये अब एक सेलिब्रिटी की जर्नी होने वाली है, ये एक पार्टिसिपेंट की जर्नी नहीं है. तो अब मैं आपको वो टिप्स बताऊंगी कि आप अपने आप को सेलिब्रिटी की तरह किस तरह से तैयार करेंगे जब तक कि हमारा फिनाले जो है 17th to 19th नहीं आता. सो व्हाट इज दैट यू विल डू? सबसे पहले तो आप खुद को विश्वास दिलाइए कि जो आपने अचीव किया है ये आपने अपनी हार्डवर्क से किया है और आप बहुत डिजर्विंग हैं इसके लिए, क्योंकि जब तक आप इसको बिलीव नहीं करेंगे तो कोई आपके आसपास आपको वो वाइब नहीं देगा. ये सब जो भी हम सोचते हैं करते हैं, ये हमारा पहले मेंटल मैनिफेस्टेशन होता है, जो हम अपने दिमाग में अपना एक चित्र बनाते हैं अपने लिए, तो वो ही हमारे आगे सामने प्रत्यक्ष होता है, एक्चुअलिटी में कन्वर्ट होता है. तो सबसे पहले तो आप अपने आप में ये बिलीव करें कि यस आई एम द विनर. तो आपके अंदर अपने आप ही वो विनिंग ट्रेट्स जो एक सेलिब्रिटीज में होते हैं, अचीवर्स में होते हैं, हाव भाव आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. दूसरी बात कि जब आप वहां वेन्यू पे आएंगे सो आप बहुत वेल ग्रूम्ड एंड वेल ड्रेस्ड होने चाहिए. आपने देखा ही है जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो अचीवर्स हैं वो हमेशा बहुत वेल ग्रूम्ड लगते हैं. वेल ग्रूम्ड जो है एज रिलेटेड नहीं होता, ठीक है? ये नहीं होता कि अगर आप यंग हैं या आप अनमैरिड हैं तो ही आप वेल ग्रूम्ड हो सकते हैं, नहीं. आप देखिए देयर आर सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम द पास्ट. सबसे ज्यादा पॉलिश्ड और सबसे ज्यादा क्लासी जो women होती हैं वो मैरिड होती हैं एंड दे आर लिटिल मैच्योर इन एज, राइट? सो आप सब कैसे अपने आप को ग्रूम करेंगे? अपने बालों का ध्यान रखें, अपने स्किन का ध्यान रखें, ठीक है? और अच्छी डाइट लें, सो दैट एक्सरसाइज करें, सो दैट यू गेट इनटू शेप, ताकि जो भी आपको वहां पे गारमेंट पहनाया जाएगा उसमें आप और भी ज्यादा खूबसूरत लगेंगे, राइट? सो अपने मैनिक्योर करिए, पेडिक्योर करिए, क्योंकि जो खूबसूरती होती है हमारी वो हमारे हाथों और पैरों से शुरू होती है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली लोग शक्ल पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से आपको अपने पैरों और हाथों पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए. और अगर जो लोग इन चीजों पे ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं वो अंदरूनी तौर से बड़े वेल ग्रूम्ड होते हैं, राइट? सो look beautiful, feel beautiful, look after every aspect that is visible. जो बाहर से दिखता है हमारा अपीयरेंस, हमारे एट्रीब्यूट्स, हर चीज का ध्यान रखें, ठीक है? और अगर आपको इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी आपको जानकारी चाहिए, गाइडेंस चाहिए, तो आप हैरी को बोलिएगा, आई विल गाइड यू थ्रू, ठीक है? सेकेंड पॉइंट इज कि आप एक ग्रूमर जो है जो आपको सिखाते हैं, आई होप आप नोट्स ले रहे हैं ऑल ऑफ यू, राइट? गुड. सो आप जब भी इंटरैक्ट करेंगे वहां वेन्यू पे आके, चाहे आप ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के साथ है और आपके मेंटर्स के साथ कर रहे हैं या आपके को अवॉर्डीज जो वहां फेलिसिटेशन के लिए आएंगे, आप हर किसी के साथ एक इवन व्यवहार रखिए, एक पॉजिटिव वाइब बना के रखिए, ठीक है? ग्रुपिज्म, 4 लोगों का फ्रेंड सर्कल बन गया और के साथ नहीं मिलना, ये चीजें जो हैं एक सेलिब्रिटी, एक अचीवर कभी नहीं करता, ठीक है? हमेशा याद रखें कि जब आप वेन्यू पे आए आपका ऑरा पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. आपके आसपास जो आपके साथ एसोसिएट हो रहे हैं वो लोग, वो सब आपके दोस्त होने चाहिए, वो सब आपके फ्रेंड्स होने चाहिए. सो इस बात का मेंटल होमवर्क हमको करने की जरूरत है. हम में से कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सिर्फ अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल को लेकर ही कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. 2 फ्रेंड्स मिल गए तो आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो, आपको लगता है किसी और से फिर हमें ज्यादा सोशलाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. जब आप एक सेलिब्रिटी की तरह किसी वेन्यू पे आते हैं अवार्ड फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी के लिए, तो आपको अपना डिमीनर, अपना तौर तरीका जो है लार्जर देन लाइफ रखना पड़ता है, राइट? सो ये मेरा आपका सेकेंड टिप है. थर्ड इज आपका मैनरिज्म और आपके जो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, राइट? तो फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस किस तरह के होते हैं? हम तो अमूमन इतना देखते हैं सेलिब्रिटीज को, दे कीप पोस्टिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट वो क्या कर रहे हैं. तो कौन बताएगा मुझे किस तरह के एक्सप्रेशंस होने चाहिए एक सेलिब्रिटी के? कौन बताएगा? नेहा, हेली, शताब्दी. या शताब्दी प्लीज.
Hi, ma'am.
हेलो.
You're doing well. I think it will be like personally जो भी हो, उनके भी पर्सनल लाइफ्स होते हैं, जो भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स उनका जो भी जा रहा है वो वहां पे अपने फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन के या ऑडियंस के सामने वो इफेक्ट वो नहीं दिखे. So it should be like very humble, very always smiling, keep on smiling, and always like positive, vibes all around like that. So it should be like that. You are very happy and you are spreading the happiness and all.
Very nice, Shatabdi. Yes, to quite some extent, that is what it is. So, जब आप आएंगे venue पे या आप for lifelong आप अपने एक्सप्रेशन इस तरह के कर सकते हैं. अगर आप जिंदगी में जो आपने हासिल किया, अगर आप जिस मकान पे पहुंचे हैं, अगर आप ग्रेटफुल हैं, ठीक है, अगर आप जिंदगी में शुक्रगुजार हैं फॉर द हायर ऑर्डर, तो आपको हमेशा लगता है कि आपके पास जितना है बहुत है और आगे जो हम अचीव करेंगे उसके लिए हम खुद हैं. अपना हार्डवर्क, हमारी कैपेबिलिटीज, हमारी अपनी स्किल हमें आगे लेकर जाएगी. राइट? तो अगर हम अपना माइंडसेट ऐसा करते हैं तो हम जनरली बहुत अच्छे खुशमिजाज इंसान बन सकते हैं, अगर आप ये रोजमर्रा में प्रैक्टिस करें. लेकिन जब आप वेन्यू पे आएंगे तो जैसे शताब्दी ने कहा, यस, आपको बहुत प्लेजेंट डिमीनर रखने की जरूरत है. ठीक है? तो प्लेजेंट डिमीनर कैसे होता है कि जिसके साथ भी आई कांटेक्ट हो रहा है आप उससे दूर से फेलिसिटेट करिए, ग्रीट करिए. ठीक है? जस्ट अ नॉड एंड अ स्माइल. ये नहीं कि आप किसी को यू आर लुकिंग थ्रू कि मैं तो इसे जानती नहीं तो मैं क्यों इसको हेलो बोलूं. राइट? वो वाला एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए. सो आप जब किसी से मिलेंगे, जहां भी आप जाएंगे, यू मस्ट हैव अ स्माइल, अ जेन्युइन स्माइल. ठीक है? जो किसी को टच करे, दिल को छुए, ऐसी स्माइल. ऐसा स्माइल, आई कांटेक्ट अच्छा रखिए एंड हैव नाइस वार्म टोन टू योर टॉकिंग. जब आप बात भी करें तो बहुत ही अच्छे से सॉफ्ट टोन में बात करें. तो अपने मैनरिज्म्स एंड फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस को आप बहुत अच्छे से वर्कअप करिए. यू हैव इनफ टाइम, 1 महीना है आपके पास. किस तरह कर सकते हैं आप मिरर में देखिए, अपने आप से बात करिए. आफ्टर अ व्हाइल आप खुद को रिकॉर्ड करिए और रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद देखिए कि आपको कि खुद को क्रिटिकली कि मेरे को कैसा लग रहा है, हैव आई डन अ गुड जॉब और हैव आई नॉट डन अ गुड जॉब. राइट? तो आप ये कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, आप हमेशा प्रिपेयर्ड एंड पंक्चुअल रहिए. अगर आप वहां पहुंचे हैं, आपको एक स्लॉट मिलेगा, टाइम स्लॉट ऑफ द इवेंट, तो उस इवेंट के हिसाब से आपको टाइमली तैयार रहना है और तैयार रहने के साथ प्रिपेयर्ड भी रहना है. जो भी जिस तरीके की भी आपको एज एन अचीवर वहां तैयारी करनी है, वो जो भी आपको बताया गया है वो पूरी तैयारी के साथ आप आएंगे, आप पूरी तैयारी करेंगे उसकी. राइट? वो आपको गाइडलाइन हैरी देंगी. और यू हैव टू बी फुली अवेयर अबाउट द इवेंट, कि किस तरीके का इवेंट है, कौन ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, कौन इसके मेंटोर्स हैं, कौन सीईओ है, कौन इनके ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं, कौन से पास्ट में इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं. ताकि अगर आप किसी के साथ बात करते हैं, कोई आपसे कोई इंटरेक्शन करता है, आपको उसको सॉरी फिगर नहीं कट करना है बाय सेइंग कि ओ रियली आई वाज नॉट अवेयर. ये आपने नहीं बोलना है. कोई सेलिब्रिटी ये नहीं करता. आप जब भी किसी इवेंट के लिए जाते हैं, आप थरो स्टडी करके जाते हैं ताकि आपको पूरा उनके बारे में पता होता है. राइट? सो आप सब FSIA के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स हैं. ऑल ऑफ यू आर ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स. आप रियलाइज करते हैं? So you're all coming there as brand ambassadors. So you should know exactly what all they have done and what all they are planning to do. Right? So do your homework well. उसके बाद हमारी पूरी लुक कंप्लीट होती है जब हम थोड़ा सा अपने आप से मेकअप करना सीख लेते हैं. राइट? ऑल सेलिब्रिटीज डू दैट. हम सबको पता है ना? तो मैं ये नहीं कहती कि आप जैसे ये वेन्यू में आ रहे हैं, यू मस्ट हैव फॉल्स लैशेस ऑन, लोड योरसेल्फ विद ग्लिटर एंड ये सब नहीं बोल रही मैं आपको. लेकिन एक फिनिश्ड लुक के लिए with a nice BB cream and a liner and a lip balm with little tint of blush, you must have on yourself, ताकि जो भी आप पहने, जो भी आपका आउटलुक है वो कंप्लीट लगता है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे आपने थोड़ा एफर्ट डाला है अपनी अपीयरेंस को बेटर करने के लिए, और ये दूसरे के दिमाग में बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करता है. राइट? सो जिनको आदत नहीं है वो करें. अभी आपके पास कुछ हफ्ते हैं, यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट ऑन बहुत डेली बेसिस, थोड़ा थोड़ा. दैट इज आई एम सेइंग न्यूड मेकअप करिए, क्योंकि वो तरह का मेकअप जो है भी और दिखता भी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, और इतना दिखता है कि वो आपको अच्छा लगाता है. When you see someone little dressed up, it gives that complete look. Right?
I'm sorry to interrupt here, Shelza. Just give me a moment. So here's a request from the candidates. They want you to keep the interaction mostly in English.
In English? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So now the second aspect that I want all of you to understand is stage presence. So what is stage presence? How is it going to be different? Tell me, stage presence of a celebrity, how is it different than that of a pageant preparator? Who's going to answer me this? How is it going to be different this time? There is stage, there's going to be music, you're going to walk the ramp, but how is it going to be different? Who's going to answer? Prashasti, would you like to answer?
Yeah, I can try. Not very
Yeah.
sure about it, but yeah, those who are already celebrities or those who have already made their mark, so
Yeah.
they have a different confidence, and even if they are a bit sloppy or if they walk into their own by you having their own style or something, so it goes with them, right? But whereas we people, we have just participated and we are into this journey, we have started our journey, so it has to be specific, as there are certain rules and regulations when you have participated in a pageant. The way you walk, the way you dress, the way you present yourself, your attitude and everything, it has to be according to certain rules. So
Okay.
that is what I feel.
All right. So very well attempted, Prashasti. Yes, I'm going to elaborate a little more on that. So what is different about a pageant walk and celebrity walk is that your walk has to be like an achiever. You know, when you come on the stage, you have to set it on fire. People have to look at you and say, oh my God, yes, she deserved that crown. She deserves every bit of applause that she's getting for her achievement. So how do you portray that? You portray that through your walk. Your walk has to be very, very self-assured, confident, very deliberate, and very charming. So these are the 4 attributes to your walk that I want to see when you come there for the finale. You are going to practice it. I have made a very elaborate video and Harry is going to share it with all of you, whereby I have divided it into 3 sections. First is about teaching you how you need to turn, how you need to pose, the T-pose and walk. Okay, the second one is where I've shown you 3 different walks, one ethnic, one on slow music, one on a little faster music. And the last 2 videos are about walking like a pro. Okay, like you own the stage like that. So you are going to see that video, and I'll also be sharing a video on posing so that you can imitate poses and in your mind have a count of 3 very, very good poses that you can give like this. Okay, so this is your homework that I'm giving you till I meet you next, because when I meet you next, on the basis of what I'm teaching you today, you are going to show me your ramp and I'm going to critically analyze each one of you. I want to appreciate and only appreciate all of you. So practice well, okay? And come absolutely prepared like a celebrity there. So coming back to the tips for your stage presence. First, I told you your walk has to be self-assured, confident, deliberate, and charming. Okay? And how does that happen? Like how Utsav Dholakia just told you, that invest in good heels. Heel is the key and the success story behind a good walk. So you must have a nice stiletto, at least 3 to 5 inches of stilettos, depending on how much can you handle. 3 inches minimum, 5 maximum. And you must invest in still heels with tapered thin heels rather than going for wedge or block, because when you buy wedge or block heels, when you're turning and posing, sometimes you don't get that free move, okay, that you get with the stilettos. And if you're buying stilettos, keep it in mind that the base of the heel has to be wider. If it is wider, it gives more support to your feet, so you don't get tired easily when you're practicing or even when you're walking. Okay, so this is your tip. Invest in it now. Let your color be black or nude, because these 2 colors goes with any color of garment. So these are safe colors. So black or nude is what you must buy. 3 to 5 inches of heels, stilettos. And practice from today, I would say, after the session onwards, till you come there, you must practice and get that alignment that an achiever needs to have. How do you do that? I will still give you a snippet of it. Roll your shoulders back and lock. Okay. How do you create an S with your body? You create an S, the desirable shape of your body. When you lock your shoulders behind, stretch your back absolutely and your legs and suck in your stomach. And you see your profile. It looks beautiful. Okay, it makes an S. So that is the posture in which you must walk. Because if you walk like that, in that posture, you look 2 inches taller than your actual height. Okay, and so much of grace and elegance automatically just adds on. The other attribute is smile. Okay, so smile is something which is quintessential with beauty industry, with fashion industry. Smile is quintessential. You can't do away without it. So let the smile be vibrant. Let it be heart-rendering, warm, and something that reaches out to the audience, reaches out to the masses. It should not be like a plastered smile. You just smile and you drop. You smile and you drop. Not like that. A nice, genuine one. And what I'm smiling like now, when you can see my upper part of the teeth, this is called a formal, official pageant smile. You can't see the lower part of my teeth. It's only the upper part. And there is curling from the side of my lips. Right? So this is called a pageant smile. So practice the smile, and it must reach out to the hearts of people who are looking at you when you're walking. So walk with the pace of the music. Okay, obviously there's going to be a background score. So I'm already wanting you to practice slow walk, little fast-paced walk, and ethnic walk, so that you're pro when you come there, right? Little bit of finishing, we will all be there to do it for you, but this homework needs to be done at your end. Okay, so you will walk with the rhythm of the music, and the momentum of your hand and leg has to be together. Don't move too much of hands, it is not appreciated. Upper part of the limbs are not moved, it's only the lower part of your arms which move. Always remember, keep your legs stretched out, don't buckle. When you buckle and walk, the walk never looks graceful. Okay, stretch your walk, stretch your knee and then walk. Okay, and the other part is that you have to, by the end of it all, in a nutshell, if I have to tell you how your walk has to be, it has to attract the attention of the masses. The moment you come on the stage, you will not fidget. You will not think about what your hair is like. Is your makeup right? Is your garment looking pretty? Or if something is getting stuck somewhere, you will just walk the ramp like a pro. Okay, you will put on the best of expressions, create that S of your body, and walk with the rhythm of the music, and come in front of the stage, front of the ramp, and give your best poses. Imagine the pose in which, and practice it, in which you want to get crowned. Let that be the best pose you ever gave. And command respect from the jury members, from the organizers, from the audiences who are looking at you, and let your sway of head be from left to right and right to left after you being crowned, because it's a mark of respect. You can't go on and say thank you to everybody, but this is the least you can do. And make an eye contact with the audience. Okay, and if you get nervous, look distant, but at the level where the audience is sitting. So a myth is created as if you're interacting with the audience through your eyes. All right, so these were certain tips. So quickly, before I wind up, who is going to give me a snippet of what I gave for stage presence? Quick tips. Who's going to do it? Who's going to do it? Yes, Sangeeta, I saw you. So you go first.
Hi, good evening.
Good
evening to all my queens and ma'am also. So मुझे लगा कि पहला जो चीज है that is smile and सबके साथ मतलब eye contact बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपका posture अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपका makeup, आपका hair अच्छा तो होना चाहिए, और उसके साथ साथ जब आपका मेकअप हो जाए, आपका हेयर भी ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाए, स्टेज पे उठने के बाद जैसे लगना चाहिए कि यू आर द क्वीन.
एब्सोल्युटली, जो लास्ट लाइन आपने बोली ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. जब आप प्रिपेयर हो तो लगना चाहिए that you are the deserving queen. So you are a celebrity. You already are. It's just that you have to.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So these were certain tips. And one more tip that I forgot to give you is जब आप रोज हील में practice करेंगे तो please उसको संभाल के रखिएगा. ये ना हो कि when you are practicing it, by the end of the day, when you have to actually carry it to the event, it breaks. Okay, so practice in them and then keep them safe and secured so that they sustain you even for the event when you come for the finale. Okay, so this was all from me. And if you have any further queries, you can reach out to me. You can ask Harry and she will give you my numbers accordingly. I can always assist you later. So all the very best to you. And till I see you, I want to see with all the homework done, all of you will walk like a pro and I will see your videos. Okay? All the very best. God bless you.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Back to you, Harry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shelza, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And that brings us to the end of this specialized training. This was an introductory one and there is a lot more to come. But it's not just Shelza. We have 3 other very special trainers, very special ladies on board today. The first we have Sonu Singh, who is an image consultant and will be taking on media interactions and public image. And the reason that these trainers are here with us today, because they would be analyzing and observing each one of you individually to ensure that each one of you rise and shine based on your individual profiles. Second, we have Sakshi Shekhar, Urf the Magic Platter, the woman who would be taking care of your diets and making sure you eat less of pizzas and more of healthy stuff. And last but not the least, we have Smita Ghosh, who would be generating all positivity and ensuring that all of you receive a very, very positive mental health and retain it till the end. I would like these all ladies to just say a verbal hi and just put down their name so that we can wind up in the end. Sonu, over to you. I would like you to start.
Hi, Harry. Thank you so much for the introduction and congratulations to all the queens out here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sakshi, go on.
Hello, everyone shining across the screen. I'll see you in a bit, very, very soon. Till then, take care of your health and we need to get up and get going very, very soon. All the best, guys.
Thank you. And Smita, over to you.
Good evening, beautifuls. So keep remembering and keep reminding yourself, I'm amazing, I'm beautiful, and keep smiling. God bless you and best of luck till we meet next.
Thank you so much, Smita. And now I would request Utsav to wind up and give us a warm goodbye, just the way we started, so that we complete a full circle here. Utsav, over to you.
Everyone has done a fantastic job. Trainers are champions and you are already the winners. So I have got nothing much to say, but wish you all the best. And please take care of yourself till the time we meet for finale. And please don't party. Please don't stay awake till late. Promise me that we all will party together on the D-Day, right? So please take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and looking forward to see you very, very soon. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, trainers. Thank you. I shall take your leave and have some words with the participants. Thank you. And we shall meet again for the next batch.